I bought these stainless steel snack containers for my daughter. We always need containers for on the go, and these seemed perfect. The set comes with 3 stainless steel snack containers. I like that each container has 2 separate compartments for snacks. It's really easy to pack multiple foods together without them mixing up. The size is also great for portions for toddlers and young children. One of the main reasons why I chose these is because they're stainless steel instead of plastic. I personally prefer using stainless steel over plastic whenever possible. I find that stainless steel does not retain food smells or stains like plastic does. I've been really happy with them so far. I love that these are dishwasher safe, so they're easy just to throw in the dishwasher at the end of the day, and they're ready for snacks again the next day. At the time of filming this review, we've already run them through the dishwasher several times and they've held up really well. We just put the containers and the lids on the top dishwasher rack. The lids are silicone and they are really secure once you press around the edges. As my daughter gets older, she'll be able to open these easily by herself. They're also stackable, which helps save space in the cabinet whenever we're not using them. One thing to note is that these are not meant for the microwave since they're stainless steel, but for cold foods and everyday snack storage, they worked really well for us. Overall, if you're looking for a reusable snack container for kids and prefer stainless steel over plastic, these are really great containers for everyday use.